Step into the 2010 Mazda CX-7. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 150-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.